Hello guys, welcome to Double Level of Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Just wanted to hop on camera to give you another update and review of the My Lead Gen secret, and I want to show you how I be getting leads with this every day. Every day you get leads, and you get about 100 leads a day with this platform. And if you do get someone and refer someone to join up with you, you'll be getting 200 leads per day. And this pretty much helps you out, especially for you online marketers with a low budget. This could definitely help you get the leads that you need, because you need eyeballs to your business, and you need exposure. So My Lead Gen provides you with that. So I'm gonna go here in the back office and I'm gonna show you some statistics to show you that this system does work. All right, so here we go right here. Now this is showing you the recent mailings that I done, and this is showing you like how many people open, how many people click, the open rate and the click-through rate. And you know, you want to see what's working. So each time that you send out these mailings each day, you want to pay attention to these open rates, and you want to see that, you know, how many people out of people clicked on them and you know, actually reading your emails. So that's very powerful. So you know, here's the statistics right here. As you can see, on the 26th, which was yesterday, I have sent out 7,700, and 735 have opened. And these are not done being opened. And as you can see, when I click on it, it shows you the countries for all the engagement, all the people that actually had opened my emails. You see it went on, it's on, let's see, yep, 87 clicks right there. And as the days go by, they still be receiving those emails, and people still be clicking. So this is not the actual number. It's still not, the day is still not over with. It's going to be boosting up as time go by. I can even go down to you know, on December 21st right here, I had 110 clicks and I had like 1849. So this is pretty good, pretty decent. So I'm gonna click right there, and as you can see, when I scroll all the way down, the 22nd, the 23rd, 26th, it's still some coming in. You see right here, another one came in. So this is what makes this so powerful. And you can see, you know, when you click, you can see the type of emails that you send, you know, each day. And you want to make sure when you do send these, I know some people don't tell you, but they do have a video in the back office teaching you how to send out emails and how to be able to send them out effectively. So you see here, get access. You see I got my picture right here. I got where they could contact me. I got a cell phone number where they could contact me here. They could click and you could run through those. They have a tutorial where you could be able to send out these mailers. If you go right here, they have a tutorial. Once you click here, it's a one-on-one training to show you how to send out mails. And it's very powerful. And it only costs you $30 per month to get this whole system. This is very effective. $30 per month. So for those that's on a budget, that's not able to spend on quality clicks, like solo ads and anything of that venture, this is very helpful. So you know what's good. Look, 200 leads a day. It just starting as a beginner, it's 100 leads. So think about each day how many leads you'll be getting a day and sending them out. You know, and these are your leads, and you could take these leads and you can actually upload them into any type of autoresponder you have. So, and with these different types of mailers, as you can see right here, you can import these mailers, and you know, you get to edit them, and you can put any type of business that you want when you insert these mailers. You know, so you can send them out a day. You can switch up the title. You can change up the body into your own words. All this is a very effective that you can use. So yeah, My Lead Gen basically definitely helped me out. As you can see, I had got my first sale with my lead gen, and I was able to receive 200 leads per day. And you could be able to do the same. You know, that multiplies 200, 400, 600. You know, that goes by very fast. And if you're thinking about it in a 30-day time spare, you can see those leads adding up. And you could definitely, you know, if you keep doing this every day, you got to be consistent every day to see the results. You could definitely get a sale into your business. This work with all businesses like ClickBank. You can use it for all that, you know what I mean? So this is just very, very, very brief tutorial and showing you, you know, how effective my lead gen secret is. You see right here, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 100, you know, and it goes to the next page. And when you click on this, I'm not going to show you because it got a lot of people's information, but when you click on this, it'll show you people's name, email addresses, and you can import them into your autoresponders. Like if you have Aweber or if you have GetResponse, you can use these definitely. Very, very, very top, you know, efficient. So yeah, that's pretty much a little brief tutorial on my lead gen secret. If you like to get started, the link in the description will be below. I have some other programs, high ticket programs, also in a link in the description below. You can check that out. Also, if you would like to contact me on Facebook, you can do that so too. My link also, that link will be in the description too below. All right, that's Double Up with Astro. Make sure y'all like and hit that subscribe button for any upcoming videos, tutorials, and anything in that nature. Make sure you hit me up. If this video done some good to you, like and leave your comments below. All right, that's Double Up with Astro. I will see you guys in the next video.